I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials so your campaign works from the first impression. Create a TikTok Ads Manager account and confirm billing. This lets you launch ads immediately. Next, pick a clear objective, traffic, conversions, or app install, because TikTok optimizes delivery for that goal. Once done, install the TikTok Pixel or SDK on your site or app to measure events like view content and purchase, which helps you scale winning creatives and avoid guessing. You'll now assemble the campaign and tighten targeting so your budget works harder. Create a campaign and an ad group, selecting budget type and schedule, choose placements or leave automatic for broader reach. Define audience by age, location, interests, or upload custom and lookalike lists to reach similar converters. Then pick bidding, CPC or optimized CPM, based on whether you want clicks or conversions. Also enable automated creative. It tests headlines, CTA, and assets to find top-performing combinations quickly. You're in the final execution and optimization phase where results appear. Build short vertical videos with a strong first 2-second hook, clear visual CTA and captions. Upload multiple variants. Once live, monitor CTR, cost per install or conversion, and ROAS daily. Pause underperformers and scale winners by 20 to 30% to avoid volatility. If things go wrong, verify pixel firing, remove overlapping audiences, adjust bid pacing, and refresh creative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.